Hello everyone, my name is Nick Scheppa with Miller Motorcars, Bentley Greenwich Sales, and today we have a really special vehicle with us. This is the 2020 Bentley Continental GTC with a ton of Mulliner options in it. Please follow me as I go throughout this whole entire car and explain to you this special specification. So welcome to the front of the 2020 Bentley. First off, you might notice this extremely special paint. This is called White Satin Pearlescent. This is my favorite and personally my first time seeing it. This is exclusively a Mulliner option and it just shows off all the lines on this car perfectly. Mulliner first started as a coach building in the early 1800s and has been with Bentley for a long time, really making bespoke and special builds for their clients. All right, so we're on to the headlights. The famous Bentley crystal cut headlights, which are made to mimic a whiskey glass, my favorite. Even when they're on, they're always glistening, these headlights, and it's a really unique part about Bentley. Also surrounding them, the bezels are in high gloss black. That is part of the black line specification to really make this car that much more aggressive and just a better road presence, in my personal opinion. So here we are with the carbon fiber styling specification. This is an OEM option by Bentley. It is awesome. It accents the car perfectly. So with this option, we have the front splitter, which also wraps around to the side rockers, which include the nice Bentley emblem in there, engraved to the side. It goes around to the back of the vehicle on the diffuser. That meaty diffuser in carbon fiber is awesome. And then we work our way up to the trunk, the spoiler, right there, a nice piece of carbon fiber, and that is the styling specification kit. Extremely aggressive, extremely exclusive. You will not find this on many other cars on the road today. Welcome to the big 22-inch wheels on this car. These are a part of the Mulliner driving specification. They're 5 open spoke with have the polished faces in the gloss black. This car is equipped with 10 piston calipers. Yes, 10 piston calipers in the front, 4 piston in the rear, with a brake rotor at 420 millimeters. This car has immense stopping power. I think these are some of the biggest calipers right now in the auto industry. So the side profile on this new Continental has been completely revised. A technology that's called superforming. Bentley has been doing this for many years and they just keep getting better. Better and better and better. So this is called the power line, this whole fender here. And they've made this about extremely sharp to really show that drastic curve in the vehicle. When we kind of come to the side over here, you see the door panel, and then working your way to what is known as the haunch, you see that, again, drastic line. And we're using aluminum and we're using steel, but a lot of aluminum is involved in this process called superforming. As we make our way to the rear end of the Bentley Continental, we have the brand new redesigned taillights, which incorporate the knurling that Bentley has the whole theme going throughout the car. These taillights are pushed wider on the vehicle to give it that wider presence on the road. Down over here, we have the exhaust tips, which are oval, that do signify that it is a W12. The Bentley script here is an option. You can choose to have it here or you can debadge it. Let's go inside the cabin here. Right off the bat, you notice the Bentley logo that's part of the Mulliner welcome lights, letting you know that, hey, you are driving a Bentley. Looking at the hide here, we have the primary hide in linen and our secondary hide in Damsen. Damsen is a hide you never see. It's so bespoke, so rarely chosen, but it's amazing. It looks stunning on this car and works so well with these two colors. You could actually see over here, they went with the hand cross stitching option, which is extremely exclusive. It just works so well. Over here, as part of the Mulliner driving specification, you have your diamond on diamond pattern, which looks insane. This whole door has so much detail on it. I mean, I could just look at here for hours and probably the amount of hours spent with the Bentley engineers designing this and putting this all together by hand. Just something you appreciate. Take a look at the name audio. This is completely revised for this new generation, and this has 22 speakers. The The wattage on this system is 2200. This is known to be some of the best audio right now in the car business. Inside this cabin, it's insane. So if you're a true audiophile, you will really enjoy this. So with the mood lighting specification option, you have 7 different colors to choose from. And you can see that accents here on the door sill. That's not only from the bottom, but throughout the whole cabin, you have those colors. So welcome to the cabin. Right here, I'm going to showcase this seat. So part of the Mulliner driving specification and the hand crossing stitch option, you can see it on this seat. So starting up here, you have the hand crossing stitch coming around the head. You have the Bentley embossed logos. Coming over here, you have the diamond on diamond pattern, which has been completely revised, like mentioned on the door earlier. Coming down here, you have the hand cross stitching on the top of the bolster, as well as on the bottom of the bolster. This seat's equipped with 24-way adjustments. That option is called front seat comfort specification. And not only does it give you 24-way adjustments, it's giving you heated, it's giving you ventilation, it's giving you massage. Not one type of massage, but 5 types of massages. And you can choose the intensity of up to 5 levels for your massage, so this seat does it all. Looking at the floor, yeah, I said the floor mats in particular. There are known as the deep pile over mats with the contrasting binding. So the color of the mats is the Damsen interior hide. And you have the leather wrapped around there and the linen. So even the attention to detail on the floor where you put your feet is remarkable. In the cockpit of the redesigned Bentley Continental, we have this diamond knurling specification. It is stunning. This is an option you don't often see too much, but when you do see it, it just stops you in your tracks. So you have the bullseye vents and you have the organ pulls. Everything you touch has that nice feedback. The whole theme of Bentley going throughout this whole car is that diamond knurling specification. That's truly special to this one in particular. And that concludes our walk around of this beautiful Mulliner build, the 2020 Bentley Continental, once again finished in white satin pearlescent, built exclusively by a really good client of ours, and you could build yours too. Maybe not as special as this one, but we can try. Please come in, once again, Nick Scheppa, Miller Motorcars, Bentley Greenwich. Come visit us, we're at 275 West Putnam Avenue in Greenwich, Connecticut. Give us a call, we have new, we have pre-owned, we have everything for you. Thanks so much. See you soon.